In this video, I'm going to show you how to lend XRP on Nexo. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must first deposit some XRP onto your Nexo account. So as you can see, I have just a little bit of XRP down here. And then to actually lend it, it's basically kind of automatically getting lent, okay? So as you can see here, I can go ahead and borrow funds. So if you click on borrow funds over here, I don't actually have to select anything, of course, other than stablecoins or bank transfer. And here it's going to give me an option to receive something, and I already have an option to actually borrow up to 5.22 USD here because my XRP and some Solana that I had as well, as you've seen earlier, basically this is already lending, okay? So to actually lend, you just have to deposit, and then you can borrow by just basically borrowing over here by going to either stablecoins and borrowing stablecoins to your wallet, or by bank transfer and actually doing that to your bank. So that's basically how to lend XRP. You just have to deposit in here, and then you can automatically borrow against it without actually having to lend it yourself. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.